it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I've got for you an unboxing of this month's Secret Scent box. So the guys at Secret Scents have kindly sent me this month's box for us to unbox together. Secret Scents is a designer fragrance subscription box. It costs £15 a month if you subscribe for just a month at a time. If you want to subscribe for 6 months at a time, it costs £14 per month. And if you want to subscribe for 12 months, it is £13 a box. So without further ado, let's open the box. As you can see, it is the perfect size to fit through your letterbox, so you don't have to worry about being in to receive it and answer or answer no, which is perfect. So let's open it up. Inside we get 3 different designer fragrances each month. I can't get the box open. Okie dokie, so that's open now. And inside is our Secret Scent box. It comes in a lovely kind of gift box that says Secret Scent box on it. It's a really nice gift if you're needing something for Christmas or somebody's birthday. Perfect. And then inside, once we open it up, it will tell us, it is the December edition, and it is the For Her box because they do a men's box too. And then once we take out the card, we get little cards about each of our 3 fragrances. We get 3 designer fragrances each month. I think it is the perfect way to try different scents and decide if you like them or if you don't like them. I've gone on to buy a full-size bottle of the ones I've liked, and some that I wanted to try before turned out that I didn't like as much, and others I was really impressed with. So it is honestly the perfect way. You get enough in here. Oh, one of them's fallen out. You get enough in here to last you the month. So you've got a month's worth of fragrance every time you get one of these boxes. Okay, so as ever, what I will do is I will go through the fragrances one by one, read you the little information on the cards, and then I will give them a little sniff and see what I think. So our first fragrance this month comes from Givenchy, and it is their Eau de Givenchy. I can't speak today, I do apologise. So it says, inspired by the south of France, a revitalising citrus symphony supplemented by white florals and fresh green notes. It says it has top notes of bergamot, petitgrain, orange and lemon, with middle notes of orange blossom, neroli, hedayon, almonds, with base notes of musk, cedar and vetiver. So I will give that a sniff. I'm so rubbish at pronouncing things, I do apologise. There we go. I didn't think that was going to come out. Ooh, that's a very citrusy kind of scent. If you're a fan of orange scents, that is perfect. It's a beautiful orangey fragrance, which I suppose oranges are quite a nice kind of December-y thing, so it's probably a perfect fragrance to have in this month's box. Okay, the next one that we get in this box is from Bulgari, and it is their Splendida Jasmine Noir, and it says luminous and mysterious, elegant and addictive. Splendida Jasmine Noir is as delicate as the white flower of which it bears its name. So it has top notes of gardenia, green sap note, and middle notes of almond, jasmine sambac, with base notes of patchouli, tonka bean, and cashmeran. Okay, so let's give that one a little smell. This is the card. Ooh. Oh, I like that one. Yeah, it's definitely more floral. The first one's fruity. This one's kind of got a floral, but like a very delicate kind of niceness about it. I quite like subtle fragrances, so that's quite a good one for me. Yeah, I like that. So our final fragrance this month is from Abercrombie Fitch, and it is First Instinct Together. And it is a new scent which combines the sweet nuances of tropical fruit with the freshness of light florals to create a beautiful, intimate fragrance. It has top notes of pineapple and red currant, middle notes of peony and lily of the valley, with base notes of musk, amber and sandalwood. So let's give that a little sniff. Ooh, muskier than I was expecting, but there is that hint of floralness about it, as well as a subtle fruitiness. Yes, nice. So that is our December Secret Scent box. It's a nice selection of fragrances, I think perfect for this month. You've got the orangey one, like I say, oranges and that type of thing, quite a Christmassy thing. And then I like the kind of subtleness of these two, which are quite nice for family gatherings and whatnot. So I think they've chose a nice selection of fragrances this month. So yeah, I look forward to wearing those throughout the rest of December. So guys, drop me a comment and let me know what you think of this month's box. Do you subscribe to Secret Sense? What do you think? If you don't, does this make you want to subscribe? Drop me a comment and let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it would be absolutely fantastic if you could subscribe. And until my next video, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye bye.